Jai Hind to all of you. Today in this video we'll be having a brief discussion over the PGT. This is going to be the third task in the battery of 9 tasks of your GTO series and also going to be the first task for which you are going to be on the ground. What is this task? Simply, you have to cross 4 stages in the prescribed 45 minutes. You have to follow some rules, regulations and have to complete this task in time. So what will be 4 stages will be like? 4 stages means each one is going to have a starting line and a finishing line, then no man's land area, then starting line, finishing line, then no man's land area. In this manner you will be having 4 stages. This task is called as progressive group task. Why progressive? Because as you proceed further your complexity level will going to increase. मीन्स कि पहला जो स्टेज होगा वो कंपैरेटिवली आसान होगा, दूसरा थोड़ा उससे मुश्किल, तीसरा उससे थोड़ा मुश्किल और चौथा वाला सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल या सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग. जैसा मैंने बताया कि इसमें टोटल 5 रूल्स जो आपको दिमाग में रखने हैं. सो लेट अस हैव अ ब्रीफ डिस्कशन ओवर दोज रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. द वेरी फर्स्ट रूल इज कलर रूल. मीन्स यू विल बी हैविंग 3 prominent color. The red one which is outer bond for both of us, the blue one which is in bond for group members but out of bond for the helping materials, and white for in bond for all of us. So what is helping materials? So as I have told you, you're not supposed to put your leg in between the starting line and the finishing line because that is outer bond area, क्योंकि उधर ऐसा मान के चलिए कि माइंस बिछा होगा. So कैसा फिर क्रॉस कैसा करेंगे? क्रॉस करने के लिए you will be provided with structures. In order to take the help of those structures, you will be provided with the helping materials, and there are basically 3 helping materials. The plank, which will be of length in between 5 to 6 feet or 4 to 6 feet, the wooden log in between 4 to 6 feet, and the rope in between 10 to 15 feet. Additionally, you will be having a load that you have to transfer from the first starting line to the end of the finishing line. Okay, second prominent rule is your group rule. Means all of you has to cross the first finishing line in order to proceed with the second starting line. The third rule is the rule of infinity. Means these starting line and the finishing line are extended towards infinity and you are not supposed to take the sideways. And the fourth rule is the rule of rigidity. Means you cannot tie 2 helping material and cannot increase their length. The fifth one is the distance rule. You are not supposed to jump more than 3 feet in any direction, in any dimension. So we'll be having a brief discussion or a detailed discussion over these rules and regulations and the structures in a longer video. Till then, keep preparing. Jai Hind.